Okay, I just want to apologize if I missed the first couple scenes or it got a little choppy and jumped around a little. Ashley was trying to do a live stream over on Instagram, so some of you might have seen that, but that's why I kind of might have missed the beginning or it kind of jumped around because we were busy setting that up. But afterwards, I'm loving this gimbal so far. Filming with it is so easy. I don't have to fully concentrate on trying to keep the camera as still as possible. So we're off to Toontown, I believe. We're gonna walk around, check it out, maybe ride gadgets. We have a fast pass, like I said, because of this beautiful one over here being so kind and getting me a fast pass for Rodger Rabbit. So we're headed to Toontown. We'll see you over there.
Your attention, please.
Oh, good old Toontown. So faded. So faded.
Where is it?
It's gone. The Jolly Trolley is officially gone. Huh. That's too bad. I don't know, maybe they're just starting to make way for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Let's just hope. Let's hope that's the reason. This shows you how crowded, or I should say, not crowded, it is today. There's nobody in Toontown, guys. Nobody. Mickey's looks like a 15-minute wait. Minnie's actually looks quite long. And Ashley wants to see her little mural thing again. So Ashley got her pictures. Let's go check out Mickey's house, because I don't think we've ever filmed in it really. You know, we've always walked in, turned around and walked back out. This is my favorite part of the entire area. The little garden and the little carrots. I love these little carrots. I used to stand here when I was little and just stare at these guys. So we just got off of Rodger, and since I didn't film it, I thought I would take you around Toontown, give you a little tour. And while we do so, leave your comments down below of your favorite part of Toontown. Is it gadgets? Is it Rodgers? Is it just the buildings and the coloring? Leave your comment down below, and let's go explore one of my favorite lands.
Right. You get all this over here. It's so cool. If you walk right over there to the powerhouse, I'll get our roller.
So what did you think of Toontown? That about does it for our time here, because we're gonna sit and wait, we're gonna people watch, relax a little bit, then we're gonna hop on the train, take that around. We have about 2.5 hours until Oga's Cantina. This could be one of those days where we do a lot of sitting, a lot of observing, riding a lot of rides, because the park is practically empty. Right now, the longest lines are Peter Pan, Indiana Jones, and Hyperspace Mountain at 30 minutes, which aren't long at all for those. And outside of that, the Smuggler's Run is 80. Everything else is pretty much walk-on. So for the most part, like I said, park is empty. We're gonna chill, we're gonna hop on the train, we'll take you around and show you what an empty Disneyland park looks like. So actually, before we head off, I wanted to let you guys know if for some reason the quality starts changing a little, It's because I'm gonna start going between the phone. What are you doing? Between the phone and the camera. Certain times it's a little easier to do on the phone than the camera, just because, I'll show you. It's a whole rig now. So when we're walking, I will definitely be on the camera setup. But when we're sitting, I'm gonna do more of the vlog on the phone, just because it's a little simple. Simpler. So anyways, now we're gonna go catch the train. Take a trip around. Well, we are soon. In vlogging world, it could be like now or it could be like an hour from now. It doesn't matter. I mean, on here, it could literally be 5 seconds from now. So let's go ride the train. Since we're on the train, what is your favorite station? I know they're not themed very much or very well, but what is your favorite station? I mean, obviously Main Street is going to be a classic. Toontown has the most theming. But does Tomorrowland or New Orleans Square hit it, warm your heart? Are those your favorite stations? Leave your comment as to what your favorite Disneyland Railroad station is. Mine is probably Main Street just because it's so classic.
I can't wait to see Star Wars
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping in New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
So we go all the way around.
Disneyland
The train here,
para sus invitados. Permanezcan sentados durante las manos a sus solicitudes y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're Star Wars.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
The station is also the closest one to the main entrance to Star Wars Galaxy Pit. If you're leaving us here, though, please remain seated until we can go full stop. Thank you.
No, we're at New Orleans Square. See? There's the sun. See here?
This is coming up to.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only laughing place. And we'll be real hard, just not fun. It's where the critters are celebrating an exhibit in Toontown Day. This place Bear restaurant, last outpost of these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering frontiers that looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these trails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by individual approach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining dreams and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Here's some Big Thunder.
Signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on